Today, we're diving into the 5 critical car care points to keep your ride shining like new. Let's get started. Point number 1. Achieve a dazzling shine on your wheels. Use Flitz paste polish and the buff ball for a mirror-like finish. Take it up a notch with Flitz ceramic sealant, ensuring long-lasting protection against the elements. Next up, point number 2. Your chrome exhaust deserves some love too. Polish it to perfection with Flitz paste polish, giving your exhaust a show-stopping gleam. Point number 3 takes us under the hood. Keep it pristine with Flitz Speedy Seal, the quick detailer that protects, leaving your engine bay looking as sharp as your paint job. Point number 4. Don't overlook your car's body and headlights. Flitz Speedy Seal works wonders to effortlessly protect surfaces for that just detailed look. Last but not least, point number 5. Safeguard your windshield with the nano-ceramic hydrophobic power of Flitz ceramic sealant. Enjoy clear visibility, rain or shine. There you have it, 5 critical car care points for a ride that turns heads wherever you go. Remember, with Flitz, your car is always in the spotlight.